Yikes. I'm going to teach you how to find your honey hole. What does that even mean? Don't speak redneck, Whitney. Speak regular. What does that mean? Why do I need a honey hole? Well, chill out. Your honey hole is that place where you go to make the money, honey. Every market, every town, every city, every state, there's going to be a sweet spot where you like to invest, where you become a big fish in a small pond, where you can get in and get your deals done and have no competition, or where you can partner with the local competition and get even more deals done and make even more money faster. Most women fiddle fart around for years and years and years and never really find out where they need to be spending their time to get these deals done. You don't have that excuse anymore, honey. I'm going to show you how to find your honey hole and bring in those big bucks. It's all about focusing in on that one area where you are a big, fancy, savvy real estate investor. Let's find your honey hole and make that money, honey. Ready?